So today we're gonna buy and review a gun safe from Academy. They're about $80, and yeah, let's just go ahead and get this video over with. It also claims to be easy to assemble. We'll see about that. But it holds 8 rifles or shotguns. These are the tools we're gonna need. It's gonna be a 1/2 socket, a 10mm socket, 7/16 socket, a ratchet, a Phillips screwdriver, when you open it, this is what you're going to see. It looks like it's mostly already built. Let's take it out. Well, that was a lie. It's actually all in separate pieces. Don't mind my wiener pajamas. So it comes with this little phone, which feels cheap, but what can you expect for $80? You got your key and your lock here for the door. I have a bag of bolts. These rods, I'm not sure what they're for, but we'll figure it out. Time to start building it, I guess.
Let me grab my fully automatic, leaving frantic panic when I let him have it. I'm excited, bringing heaven, put him in a baggage, and I manage doing damage. Like you badges, I'm the baddest, I'm a savage. You don't really wanna go to bed. I couldn't handle all the shit that I be bringing, even bleeding any minute that I'm wanting.
This one has the logo on top, so I guess it does matter. But other than that, they're exactly the same. So an easy way I found to bolt it down if you don't have someone to help you is just to lean it up against the wall. That way you don't have to hold it. And just go ahead and bolt it down. Alright, they're all tightening down now. We're just going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, so the back panel is actually very easy. Once you have the 2 front ones, you kind of just want to slide it over this and this. Just slide it down.
But they don't do it like I does it, trust. I'm big dog, you cool dog. Spend 100 grand on that you blow. I'm hopping out of that 2 dog.
Now for this little shelf right here, this is what I'm using. A Phillips head, a washer, and the little nut. Now, as you can see, they're all in there. Now it is gonna be a tight fit. I did scratch it up a little bit, so probably don't tighten everything down until you have this part in if you want the little shelf. Now I was doing fine up until this right here, the lock. Now, good thing it has pictures and drawings, and I'll just follow the directions here. Yep, it worked just like I thought. Okay, now to install it, you'll need that little Phillips head right there. And you'll want that because it's skinny, and then whenever it closes, it won't affect it as much. It's gonna be these right here. Okay, so the top just basically slides in. I'm fixing to put the bolts in it right now. Keep in mind, because of these right here, it is a little tight to open and close the door. You see? This is just pushing it like this. You have to kind of put your body weight into it a little bit. See my knee? Alright, now that the safe is built, it's time to put the guns in. Alrighty, I'm gonna show you guys my gun that I'm gonna put in the safe. My parents don't know I have this.
now I'm gonna sleep safe, knowing that it's safe.